HSN and SAC code. These are the codes used in GST for the purpose of identifying a particular goods or services for tax point of view. HSN code. HSN may be indicating with a harmonized system of nomenclature code. The harmonized commodity description and coding system generally refers to the harmonized system of nomenclature, and it is a multi-purpose international product nomenclature developed by World Customs Organization, and it is used as a product classification system, as it will be used for identifying particular products, as it is mainly used by the customs organization as for unifying the commodity taxation system in the case of imports and exports. It first came into effect in 1986 and it is adopted by Government of India as for the provisions of central excise and customs duty charges. It has about 5,000 commodity groups, each identified by a 6-digit code arranged in legal and logical structure. It is supported by well-defined rules to achieve uniform classification, and it ensures common basis for classifying the traded goods by each and every country in the globe for customs purpose. This set of defined rules is used for taxation purpose in identifying the rate of tax applicable to a product in a country. It also used to determine quantum of product exported or imported in and out of a country. It is a combination of different 21 sections further drilled down to 99 chapters, which are further classified into 1244 headings and 5224 subheadings. The resultant figure of HSN is a 6-digit code. It is the best logical system of classification and identification of adopted coding system in international trade to reduce the effort and cost related to the procedures in international trade, especially relating to the taxation and identification of particular product. Under GST, there are 3 different types of HSN codes which a dealer can use. There are 2, 4 or 8-digit HSN codes used for commodities, and the purpose of HSN codes is to make GST systematic and globally accepted. HSN codes will remove the need to upload the detailed description of goods, as we have to enter, or as a supplier have to enter the HSN code of particular product to identify the details and tax rate regarding with a particular product. The main purpose of HSN is to classify the goods from all over the world in a systematic and logical manner. As for example, there will be a given HSN code 39089010, and it is mainly for nylon molding powder, and it have first 2 digit as indicate the chapter under the HSN code, and the next 2 digit 08 indicate the heading under chapters, and the next 2 digit indicates the subheading, and the next 2 digit indicating subheading as relating with the tariff heading during import and export of supplies. And in today's scenario, in Indian scenario, it will be used with up to a maximum level of 8-digit coding. Under GST, 3 different types of HSN codes may be used by a dealer as on the basis of their turnover. According to the GST dealers with an annual turnover of less than 1.5 crore are not required to use HSN codes while creating invoices or filing return. Dealers whose annual turnover between 1.5 crore and 5 crore need to use 2 digit of HSN code of their commodities, as it will be first 2 digit of HSN code. While invoicing or filing returns, then dealers with the annual turnover of 5 crore or above must use 4 digit of HSN code for their invoices. Then in case of import or export of goods, which may be used with the 8 digit in HSN code as relating with the following international invoice standards and practices. And on that background, the coding system has been arranged in India as by adopting the provisions of World Customs Organization itself. Then HSN is used by around more than 200 countries in the globe, and the main reason of HSN adoption will be leads to the uniform classification of product, as it is a base for their customs tariff, and it is also treated as an international trade statistics portfolio. And India also a member of World Customs Organization since 1971, and India adopted harmonized system of nomenclature coding system for the product coding, and it is enforced with the GST portfolio also for identifying a particular commodity in specific range itself. And it mainly focusing with the classification of product and also identifying the category of product and tax rate applicable for such product, and it is beneficial to the taxpayers and also the administrative wing. Then second one, services accounting code. It is similar to the international HSN codes. India has adopted a services accounting code for all the services. GST will subsume the service tax, which covers all kind of services which may be taxed at 15% apart from other rates in some specific cases. While concerned about the services accounting code as related to the identification of product, here we have to identify the services under GST through services accounting code, and it is used for the creation of invoices by the suppliers of services. Services are classified as per the SAC codes. The SAC is strictly numeric and is 6 digit. The first 2 digit are same for all the services, that is 99. The next 2 digit represent the major nature of service, and the last 2 digit represent detailed nature of services, and that is the provision for SAC coding system, and it is a 6 digit code adopted by Government of India for classifying the services and easily identifying the services and to fix the tax rate applicable for services, and it is enforced with the service tax collection regime itself. And while services which are subsumed, or service tax which are subsumed to GST, as for identifying services, SAC code were used in GST also. And there will be an example. The SAC for information technology design and development services is 998314, and the first 2 digit is indicating the same for all services 99. The middle 2 digit represent the major nature of service, and here it will be IT service, and 883 will be the next 2 digit. The last 2 digit represent the detailed nature of service that is related with the IT design development and services, and on that background the SAC code was being developed and framed, and HSN and SAC code were used to identifying and classifying a commodity or service, and it is used for the purpose of effective mechanism of GST.